We're approaching one of the most famous Angels flight. It's an escalator train, it just goes up. It's so ancient, so old, it comes with lots of history. Hi, we are in downtown LA and this is the Angels flight. It's one of the most famous trains ever. It's an inclined railway. It is so short, it just goes up. It's all about hydraulics. This one is down and the other one is up. As the one on top comes down, it just like lifts the other one and it takes it upwards, and vice versa. It is so ancient, so old. And you can see, you know, like even the car, it feels inclined, but the seatings inside, like you can see them, like, you know, they are still like horizontal, so whoever is in there doesn't feel they are inclined. And you can see from inside the car through. This railway has been operating since 1901. And the train starts its trip. It's going up. As it reaches, you know, like, you know, then the one going up, it goes to the right, and the one going down, it goes to the left. You can see such a beautiful sight, and the experience inside, like, it's so nice, so thrilling. It's a very short ride. It's very interesting. And that was on top, it's coming down. Here it becomes so slow as it's descending and it's reaching its destination. And the other one, it goes slower as it reaches its destination. Here, it comes down. Reaches the very end, it will stop. And that was Angels flight in downtown LA. A very interesting ride.